You've probably seen this baby hack everywhere on TikTok. Parents are giving water to babies under 6 months for hiccups or hot weather. But according to the National Health Service, this is actually dangerous. Water can cause water intoxication in babies, leading to seizures and even coma. Their tiny kidneys can't handle it. The NHS says babies under 6 months only need breast milk or formula, even in hot weather. For hiccups, try gentle back rubbing or feeding instead. Not everything viral is safe. Always check NHS guidance first.